Namaste, Hariom. I am Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you all at Bharat Yoga English. Well, summers are here and there are so many people who just want to drink. They just want to drink something during summers and they end up drinking sugary drinks, soft drinks, cold drinks, or just those Tetra packs which are so full of sugar because somewhere they are thirsty and they just don't know what to drink, so they end up drinking all these things which are really harmful to your health. Now, how to take a balanced diet in summers, we are going to talk about that, so let's get started. So when we talk about staying hydrated during summers, there are some very simple ways that you can actually bid a farewell to these sugary drinks and you can have some natural alternate options instead of those sugary Tetra Pak drinks. So what are these options? Very first option is plain water, which is very important. Make sure that you drink ample water throughout the day during summers because it keeps you hydrated. It helps you in weight loss. It helps you in having strong bones. It helps you in each and everything. It is a solution to each and every problem. So stay hydrated, drink lots and lots of water, drink ample water. Second thing is drink detox water. So I have shared recipes of making different kinds of detox waters. So you can actually have those detox drinks. So take a glass bottle, fill it with water, and different detox drinks are there. We'll be sharing the link at the description box. Still, I'm telling you, I'm sharing 2 or 3 ways. So take a glass bottle, fill it with water, put 3 to 4 basil leaves in it, tulsi ke patte, and then few slices of kheera, cucumber, some mint leaves, pudina, and take 1 lemon, chop it into small pieces and just put it in water. So keep drinking this. You can also make this detox drink with apple, with orange, and with other seasonal fruits. Third thing is a very important drink, which is satu, which is absolutely high protein. It keeps you hydrated and it is a wonderful substitute to all those non-healthy drinks that you are taking. But sattu is one of the healthiest drinks you can take. And sattu is available in different states of India with different names. So you just need to find out the right name. So sattu is a wonderful drink during summers. Next drink is coconut water. We think that, oh, it is just coconut water. No, it is amazing. It helps you in curing lots and lots of diseases. And whenever you feel thirsty, instead of going for that black, white, orange drink, take this transparent coconut water. There is a reason that coconut is being served at temples. Whenever you start anything new, first thing is you have to have a coconut. Why? Because of its health benefit, because it is considered so pure, because it removes so many ailments from your body. So make sure that during summers you drink coconut water. Now, while moving forward, there are some more very important drinks. One is charged buttermilk, which is low fat, which is a wonderful probiotic, and it also helps in curing all the problems related to your stomach. Then if you do not want to go for buttermilk, there is lassi, which is again probiotic. Lassi is sweet, matha or buttermilk is sour, and lassi, do not use white sugar. You can make it with jaggery powder. Then there are a few people who don't want to have cold drinks, but they just want to have tea all the time. So I had already shared the recipe of apple tea, which is a wonderful drink, and it can be used as a non-addictive tea, and also it helps in removing the addiction of that black tea or the milk tea which you take. So these are some and then Tandai, of course, Tandai is also a very good option. So instead of just going, and then the smoothies, different smoothies, watermelon is there. Just take watermelon. If you do not have you do not have a juicer, that's absolutely fine. Just take a mixer blender, just mix it in mixer blender, Take it. You can do it with watermelon, you can do it with muskmelon, you can do it with sunmelon, and you can do it with other fruits as well. So instead of going for those cold drinks, those soft drinks, those sugary drinks, please use these natural, desi, healthy options which are also going to generate happy hormones in you. That's all in today's episode. Lots of love, light, and blessings. And if you have any other question, any other query, do not hesitate to send us your questions and queries, and we will come up with a solution to all your problems, all your queries related to your health, Indian culture, related to your diet, and related to your life. Lots of love, light, and blessings. Do connect to us through different social media platforms at the rate Acharya Pratishtha Facebook, Instagram, Koo app, ShareChat, at the rate A Pratishtha, Twitter. Make sure you follow the verified handle because there are so many fake handles being run on my name. So it's very important that you just click at the handle which has a blue tick on it. That's all for today. Lots of love, light, and blessings. Stay happy, stay healthy. Hari Om, Jai Hind, Namaste.